told you there's such a thing as a natural female Viagra. Not a magic pill, but a series of natural strategies that can actually help women over 40 rediscover energy, pleasure, and confidence. Today, we're going to dive into that. We'll explore which natural options have scientific support, which ones really work, and how you can start using them safely and practically. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap for boosting your intimate health, without hype, without false promises, just science and real care. First, let's be clear, there's no single miracle solution. Female sexual desire is complex. It's shaped by hormones, circulation, sleep, stress, relationships, self-esteem, and even how you feel about your body. In the U.S., there are 2 FDA-approved medications for hypoactive sexual desire disorder in premenopausal women, flibanserin, known as Addyi, and bremelanotide, marketed as Vyleesi. These aren't natural. They aren't for everyone, and they carry risks. But mentioning them matters because it shows science takes this issue seriously. For women in their 40s or moving through menopause, the challenges are different. A drop in desire, vaginal dryness, discomfort, insomnia, anxiety, and here's the good news. There are natural, safe tools that can make a big difference. When you hear the phrase female Viagra, what it usually refers to is a mix of herbs, nutrients that support circulation and energy, and lifestyle practices. Unlike the male pill that works quickly on blood flow, for women it's more of a holistic combination, balancing the body, strengthening the mind, and gently stimulating desire. It's less of a magic bullet and more of a roadmap. Let's start with maca, a root grown high in the Andes. Small but promising studies show that women in menopause taking maca reported improvements in sexual function, mood, and energy. Interestingly, it doesn't seem to alter hormone levels directly, but instead supports overall vitality. In powder form, it's easy to add to smoothies or yogurt. Common dose, about 1.5 to 3 grams per day. Next up, ginseng. Used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries, ginseng has also been studied in women. Some research suggests it can improve sexual function and quality of life during menopause. The mechanism may involve better blood flow and reduced fatigue. It's a good option for women who feel drained, low energy, and less interested in intimacy. Now, one of the most promising, fenugreek. In clinical trials, women who took standardized fenugreek extract, about 600 milligrams daily, saw meaningful improvements in sexual desire and in hormones linked to well-being. Generally safe, but if you have diabetes, use caution since it can lower blood sugar. Some women even notice a maple-like body scent when using it. Fun fact. You may have heard of tribulus. It's often marketed to men, but there's research in women too. Several studies show it can increase desire and sexual function in both pre- and postmenopausal women. The effect seems tied to increased sensitivity of androgen receptors, hormones that matter for female desire as well. Results vary, but it's promising, especially for women whose main concern is low libido. And we can't skip saffron, not the kitchen spice, but Crocus sativus extract. In women taking antidepressants like SSRIs, drugs that often dampen libido, saffron supplementation improved lubrication, reduced pain, and boosted satisfaction in just 4 weeks. If your lower desire started after starting antidepressants, saffron may be worth discussing with your doctor. The smartest strategy is not to try them all at once. Pick one that matches your situation. If fatigue is the problem, try ginseng or maca. If desire itself is low, try fenugreek or tribulus. If lubrication or antidepressants are the issue, saffron is the best bet. Add one change at a time, wait for a few weeks, observe how you feel, then reassess. But supplements are only part of the picture. Lifestyle matters a lot. Exercise boosts blood flow, regulates hormones, and raises self-confidence. Research shows even a single workout a few hours before intimacy can increase arousal. Long-term, both strength training and cardio are essential, not only for sexual health, but overall well-being. The pelvic floor is like the engine of female intimacy. Kegel exercises, Pilates, or physical therapy for pelvic health can improve desire, lubrication, and orgasm. They also prevent or reduce urinary leakage, another hidden barrier to intimacy. Poor sleep is a major libido killer. Women who sleep less report lower desire and arousal more often. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Good sleep balances hormones, fuels energy, and stabilizes mood, all crucial for intimacy. And let's not forget the mind. Stress is often the #1 libido chief. Mindfulness-based therapies, meditation, breath work, guided body scans have been shown in trials to improve desire, reduce anxiety, and increase satisfaction. Learning to slow down and reconnect with your body can reignite pleasure in surprising ways. For women past menopause, one big factor is what doctors call genitourinary syndrome of menopause. That's thinning, dryness, and discomfort in intimate tissues. If intimacy is painful, desire naturally shuts down. In these cases, lubricants, vaginal moisturizers, or even local estrogen prescribed by a doctor can be game changers. Once pain is addressed, desire often follows. Now, a reality check. None of these strategies will flip a switch overnight. Most studies ran for 4 to 12 weeks. That means small, steady improvements over time. Think of it like climbing a staircase. Each step is one change: better sleep, consistent exercise, a chosen supplement, stress reduction, addressing pain. Each step matters, and together they lead to a real transformation. So, here's a simple 4-step roadmap you can start today. Step 1. Build the foundation. Fix your sleep, move your body, strengthen your pelvic floor. Step 2. Pick one botanical. Try maca, fenugreek, or ginseng for 4 to 6 weeks and track how you feel. Step 3. Solve specific barriers. If there's dryness or pain, address that first. If you're on antidepressants, consider saffron with medical approval. Step 4. Care for your mind. Practice mindfulness, reduce stress, and reconnect with yourself and your partner. It's not about doing everything perfectly. It's about layering small wins that add up. So, does a natural female Viagra exist? The answer is not as a magic pill, but as a natural pathway, a blend of lifestyle changes, mind-body care, and, yes, evidence-backed botanicals that together support women's health after 40. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these strategies have you tried, or would you like to try? Let us know in the comments. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to Health and Wellness for All, and share it with someone who deserves to rediscover her feminine energy. Remember, sexual health is health, and you deserve to feel your best.
Did you enjoy the video? Subscribe to our channel, Health and Wellness for All, for more tips and information. See you soon.